Short story The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. There was a village on the outskirts of a forest. A shepherd boy used to take his herd of sheep across the fields to the lawns near the forest. One day, he felt very boring. He wanted to have fun, so he cried loud, "Wolf, wolf!" The wolf is carrying away a lamb. Farmers working in the fields came running and asked, "Where is the wolf?" The boy laughed and replied, "It was just a fun. Now get going, all of you." The boy played the trick for quite a number of times in the next few days. After some days, as the boy perched up a tree, was singing a song, there came an wolf. Now the boy cried loudly, "Wolf, wolf, the wolf is carrying a lamb away." There was no one to come. The boy shouted, "Help, wolf, help!" Still no one came to his help. The wolf carried a lamb away. The moral of the story is a liar's truth is seldom believed. Thank you for watching.